Hi, welcome to Bobby Cinema Theater. I'm Bobby Cinema, being going BC. Today's February 9th and my 43rd week of my webcast live at Bobby Cinema. Released the new movies and DVDs that's out this week, where I make my final grade on the movie out this week. Go onto my website where you can read the plot and watch the movie trailers. The first movie out this week in theaters is The Pink Panther 2, starring Steve Martin, directed by Harold Zohar, produced by Robert Simmons, and produced by Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer and Columbia Pictures. I took this film. I recommend people watching this movie in theaters. Steve Martin makes strong performance in this film. Reprising the role is Inspector Jacques Clouseau, and that made him a star. My hat's off to him. Rate this movie a B-. The next movie out this week is Push, starring Chris Evans, directed by Paul McGuigan, produced by David Barla, and produced by Summon Entertainment. I recommend people watch this movie in theaters. Chris Evans made an extraordinary performance in this movie. My hat's off to him. I rate this movie a B-. The next movie out this week is He's Just Not Into You, starring Ben Affleck, Jennifer Aniston, and Jennifer Goodwin, and Drew Barrymore, and Justin Long. Directed by Ken Kwapis, produced by Drew Barrymore, and produced by New Line Cinema and Flowers Films. I recommend people watch this movie on theaters. It's an all-star cast in this romantic comedy. Justin Long was a bartender who tells the story to understand men to Jennifer Goodwin, who wants to learn about men. Ben Affleck, Justin Long, Ben Affleck, Jennifer Aniston, and Justin Long and Jennifer Goodwin made an extraordinary performance in this film. My hat's off to them. I grade this movie a B. The next movie out this week is Fanboys, starring Jay Bradshaw, directed by Kyle Newman, produced by David Brunetti, and produced by Weinstein Company. I took up this movie. I recommend people watch this movie on theaters. Sam Hankton and Kristen Bell made an extraordinary performance in this movie. My hat's off to them. I grade this movie a B+. The next movie out this week is Coraline, starring Dakota Fanning, directed by Henry Selick, produced by Mary Sandel, and just by Focus Features. I took this film. I recommend people watch this movie in theaters. Dakota Fanning makes a extraordinary performance in this movie about Coraline, who walks into a mirror and went to a fantasy world that was better than a dream world that you never see, that turned into a nightmare. Try to find a way back in her own world. My hat's off to her. I grade this movie an A-. That's all the movies that are out this week in theaters. The next movie out on DVD this week is Madagascar 2, Escape to Africa, starring Ben Stiller, Chris Rock, J. Pinkett Smith, and David Schwimmer. Directed by Eric Darnell and Tom McGrath. Produced by Mark Swift and produced by DreamWorks Distribution and Paramount Pictures. I took this movie. I recommend people watch this movie on DVD. This movie is a lot better than the first Madagascar. Here we see the New York Giants, Alex the Lion, Ari the Zebra, Melman the Giraffe, and Gloria the Hippo tries to head back to New York, but end up in Africa, where they grew up, and Alex runs to his parents and reunited with them when they lost him when he was a kid. Ben Stiller, Chris Rock, J. Pinkett Smith, and David Schwimmer made extraordinary performance in this movie. Keep my hats out to them. I grade this movie an A-. The next movie out this week is The Secret Life of the Bees, starring Queen Latifah and Dakota Fanning. Written and directed by Gina Prince Blythewood and produced by Will Smith and produced by Fox Searchlight Pictures. I took this film. I recommend people watch this movie on DVD. This movie is about friendship and love when you see a 14-year-old girl, Lily Owens, runs away from her father and heads to South Carolina, where she ends up in a small town when they meet the Boatwright sisters and stayed with her when she's nowhere else to go, and runs a hunting business on the side that works in her house. Lily bonded with the Boatwright sisters and don't want to leave. Dakota Fanning and Queen Latifah made an extraordinary performance in this movie. My hat's off to them. I grade this movie a B+. The next movie out this week is Zack and Miri Make a Porno, starring Seth Rogen and Elizabeth Banks. Directed by Kevin Smith, produced by Scott Moser, and produced by the Weinstein Company. I took this film. I recommend people watch this movie in theaters. Seth Rogen and Elizabeth Banks make an extraordinary performance in this movie. My hat's off to them. About two struggling roommates who decide to film a porno movie and to fall in love instantly in this movie. I grade this movie a B-. The next movie out this week is Naked Nora's Infinite Playlist, starring Michael Cera and Kat Denning, directed by Peter Sollett, produced by Chris and Paul Weitz, and produced by Columbia Pictures. I took this movie. I recommend people watch this movie on DVD. Michael Cera and Kat Dennings made an extraordinary performance in this movie. Nick was a high schooler who got dumped by his high school girlfriend, and his friends cheer him up to play in a club where she meets Nora, a beautiful college girl, and the two fall in love. My hat's off to these two. I grade this movie a B+. That's all the time we have today. Come back next week where we're introducing the new movies out this week and on DVD. Don't forget to log my website where you can watch the new trailers, play my mood trivia, and my puzzles. This is BC. See you next week. Now get out.